Okay, turning back. Let's not push things.
25%, 50%. 50%. 25%, 50%. 50%. 25, 50%.
I heard it, but I didn't realize it was in the way.
Yeah, if it wasn't for the red, he'd be in trouble.
Nice. I can launch that SU-27.
Yeah, I remember that.
Still is. Pretty heavy,
Oh,
man.
all right. Yeah, it seemed like it got worse.
25%.
Low and close.
25%, 50%.
Oh, you're right.
25%.
All right, Joe, it just got worse.
What, the wind?
No.
No, the visibility.
Visibility kind of dropped.
Oh, he's got to be low, otherwise you can't see his airplane.
Temperature and viewpoint got to be very close together.
Reverse full. 50%.
When I look at that afterburn, you see it real good. That one's a much brighter one than usual, huh?
50%.
Oh, what is that on the wing? You see that?
25%. 50%. 50%. 25%. 50%. Reverse full. 50%. Gear up.
Whoa. It's heavy. It's tail heavy. I don't like that.
Nice and smooth.
Yeah.
50%.
That was about right for us. We'd had about 7 inches all
50.
year, so.
25%.
I got a picture from my friend.
50%.
Had a thermometer setting on it.
50%.
We're going.
Down.
Mine at 30.
I think it's tail heavy still.
0.
Down here, I don't like them. I used to be able to brag about it, but I don't care anymore.
Yeah, well, my friend Mike is still at that point, but he'll come around.
Reverse full.
It's on the. I marked it on the plane.
Getting better.
Oh. Oh, okay.
What'd you say next time? Nice. Gorgeous.
50%.
That's a lot better rotation. How's it feel?
Feels better.
5%.
It's the elevator. And all of a sudden. Oh, there we go.
Level.
Whoa! It flat spun.
Time remaining 2 minutes. 50%.
You got it.
Because you're going too slow, right?
No, because safe will not save you from a spin.
They tell you that in the book?
No, they did not.
50%.
Which is why safe gets a lot of people in trouble.
0.
Coming.
Oh yeah. Hope he brought his T-28. Been flying that lately.
3,600 million.
50%.
Level. Nose in. Nose
20
down a little bit.
seconds.
Yeah, thanks.
Dollars to you.
You gonna let Doge know? They'll catch me.
Reverse roll.
Alright, my time's coming around.
25%.
The Piper has picked up a
Well, the other thing is, there's like the challenge right out there. Take it out. Take much parts off the other.
Going straight up.
Okay.
Wheel out.
Yeah, you've been practicing.
Oh, look at that. I like that. When the nose was up and it still had the go. That's what I like. All your videos are music.
No, those are the short videos of music.
If you had been a good guy, you'd have put it in 2 years. That was too late putting that. Oh, it'll be
Ooh, very long.
0.
Take it off.
Power systems activated.
Thanks for the warning.
25%.
Oh, here we go. Oh,
50%. You're up.
all right. Oh, now I know what you was doing. You saw an enemy plane over there, and you're gonna shoot it as you're taking off. That'd have been a speed fire at a show, like out here.
Really?
And he was flat like this, and the bullets were hitting on the ground.
Limit disengaged.
Somebody's either around them.
I don't, but I saw him like this, and he went. Was flying straight.
Well, I doubt they do it anymore, but when I was in Fort Sill, Oklahoma, back about 1967, they had a firepower demonstration on the weekend, and they dropped napalm, they fired 105 houses, some other stuff, you know.
What? Oh, nice and smooth.
Yeah.
I've seen you really spin it out, but you know what? I like that better. I'm out. Drill for. Wait till you turn 70 years old. Your ass ain't good.
When you turn 80,
25%.
Oh.
407.
Oh gosh, really?
50%.
That was 400. And I've seen
The next one.
50%. G limit disengaged.
You get to shoot back and dry it out.
you wash it, you put it in fresh water 3 times in the tub and drain it, and then you hang it up.
Oh,
I jumped
20
out of it.
seconds.
Oh, beautiful.
Landing
Problems,
flaps.
and he said, everybody get out.
5%.
Okay.
did he bring it back in? Or
Yeah, it was messed up. We brought it back in. That was a nice little weight.
Reverse roll.
A couple of bad flashes in Marine when they first came out.
Pin.
Ready to go?
yeah.
After a while, in fact, I'd be flying people. Oh, I got a problem. Here. Shit, I was good. I used to crash so much before I learned they say fly it and then count. If it hit the ground, count to 2 before you stop. And there's been times out at Bronson, I was learning how to
Percent. You're up. G-limit disengaged. 0. Out 25, 50%.
Now you got full power, right?
Yep.
50%. 50%. G-limit disengaged.
I like that 80.
25, 50%. 25 for 50%. Time remaining 1 minute 8 seconds.
I'll cut inside.
All right, I'm landing.
Alright. Into the vertical.
20, 0. Reverse full.
Put one in it.
Most of us never get to that number. Yeah, right? Yeah, I've got it.
G-limit disengaged.
Where's the 18? In the truck. Alright. I'm going.
50%. G-limit
Maybe I can
disengaged.
get to the dive.
I don't know.
50%.
Gonna say no.
50%.
Hey guys, wait for me. Here it comes. Oh yeah, I'm cooking now. Yeah. Oh, I'm cooking
Time
now.
remaining 2 minutes.
I'm great. Why is that?
50%. 50%. G-limit disengaged. 1 minute.
I haven't heard one human on Earth that doesn't say that's the best flying pony ever made.
Yeah,
why,
they think
why
that
would I
stuff,
not
right?
want to? No, that one.
Okay, I'll be landing, guys.
Did anything that what was it, the tiger cat they flew?
50%.
Plane, looked pretty good in the
0.
paint scheme. So
Oh no, what? No, the tiger? No, that was a nice.
25%.
All right, landing. Next.
9. 20, 0. Reverse full.
how'd this happen?